So, mag-quick room tour tayo. So, we're here at EBS kasi nag-check-in kami for Mama and Papa's 40th anniversary. So, ito yung view dito sa floor namin. So, ito yung Sagrada Familia dito sa Gateway, Cubao. Ayan, dalas kami magsimba dito. Sobrang ganda ng church na yan. Ayan yung view na ganda. So, we're here at the 11th floor. And our room is 1121. So, every floor, they have this water dispenser. So, dito lang kayo kukuha ng water nyo. Pag kailangan nyo ng water. May picture naman sila in water per room. So, this is the hallway of the 11th floor. Hindi ko sure kung hanggang anong floor lang itong hotel na to eh. So, this hotel is a 3-star hotel. And dito, sa 1121, pertinan lang muna natin yung view dito. So, this is the view here. So, I think, what's this view? This is the... Ano, anong view to? Hindi ko kabisado. Ah, ito yung... This is the Fiesta Carnival. Ah, okay. So, this one is, I think, is... I don't know. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito. Yun, may nasumasayaw dun, no? Ano ba to? Hindi pa ako naka-gateway. So, may part pala ng gateway na ayan, may sumasayaw dun. So, here na. So, here's the room. Room tour tayo. So, ito siya. So, syempre kasi may nag-design na kami kanina dito. So, ito yung design namin. So, ayan pa yung mga bouquet na kaya rin siya. Ayan. Hi! So, here is the mirror and the sink. So, they have 2 glasses here. And ginamit ko na kasi na yung kanina water. Then they have the toothbrush, the tissue, the hair, body, and face wash. And ito, meron sila. Ay, pinatay nila yung ilaw sa this one. So, nakahiwalay yung kanilang toilet bowl sa ito yung this is the shower area. Yeah. The shower area. So, ayan. Siyempre, meron sila dito shampoo, hair, and body face wash. So, this is the shower. Siyempre, may heater. Dapat nakatala ng heater. And here is the TV. Ayan, so may chair doon. Ayan na yung mga parents ko. Papahinga sila kasi mamaya magsa-sunset view kami doon sa may roof deck, sa may pool area. So, ito, meron sila dito ang phone. Siyempre, kapag kailangan mo sa reception. And ito yung aircon, whatever that. Baliktaran pala yung mirror nila. So, ito may mirror din dito. And syempre, they have a trash can there. The lamp here. Ang cute nito, oh. So, it's so cute. Pero, ito ang pinaka-cute sa lahat ng anak ko. Kasi lang ang dumis niya. At alam mo, nakakatuwa ko. Meron pa sila ditong Bible. May pa-Bible pa sila here. Yan yung mga gamit dyan. Tapos, meron din silang book. Meron silang mini ref. Tapos, syempre, meron sila dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko, may picture sila dito para pagkuha ka nila ng water dito sa water dispenser sa lobby. And then, ito yung may free sila na tea. And, syempre, may coffee. I think this is coffee. Coffee, brown sugar. And this is white sugar. I don't know what's that. There's no coffee ata. Creamer. Creamer and green tea. Wala itong coffee. Parang wala naman ako nakitang coffee kundi creamer and sugar. Ayan. So, meron din sila dito mga hammer. And this is, ano to? Extra, I think, extra pillow. And dito, kita din from the room. Ito yung view namin. Yung Araneta Coliseum. There's the Novotel. And ito, kita din from here yung Sagrada Familia. Ayan. So, that's our quick room tour. At ito ang anak ko na feeling Donya. Donya Mireya Jean, how are you there? How are you there? Ayan, pagkain niya pa kanina. Di ba niya nalulubos yung kanyang fries. Sarap na kain ng anak ko, oh. Sarap na kain. Apple. Apple. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, bye-bye na lang. Bye-bye. Flying kiss na lang. Flying kiss. Oh, how can you make a flying kiss? Sa dalawa yung pagkain mo. Bye.